we are going to show you how to make these adorable DIYs. Let's start with these cute pencil holders. Wrap pile cleaner around your pencil. It's better to grab it tightly and spread it out. As you can see, it's so elastic. Put the pile cleaner on the pencil. Glue the top. The top could be flowers or animals. Decorate to make them what you want. The possibilities are endless. To make these beautiful crayon holders, grab your paper teacup, then hot glue the paper wire by rolling it tightly around the paper cup. You may use double-sided tape instead. It's much easier to work with. Then tie a perfect ribbon bow. You can trim the end to make it neat. Then hot glue it to the top. And done! Now we have a fantastic crayon or pencil holder. In our tutorial, we'll show you how to make your own DIY scrapbook. First, fold 30 and 9 centimeters cardboard page into half. Then cut 7 centimeters long crab sticks into half. Glue them to the cardboard page, like this. You may need 7 to 8 scrap sticks. Then decorate it with some thick snowflakes confetti or any other confettis design you like. For the last part, you will need a paper wire about 40 centimeters long. Then tie a bow and glue it on the cardboard page. Trim off the excess part and done. And for the last part, we're gonna make this beautiful paper art. Wrap your craft punch and punch out 10 to 12 snowflakes on the small paper plate. Keep the ornaments, we'll need them later. Use the color paper to change the photo frame background. Here you used a red one. Glue the paper plate to the center of the photo frame. Then decorate it with the ornaments. And then tie a ribbon bow. Trim the edges and glue it on the plate. Hang the photo frame on the wall and voila! We have created an amazing